morning, everybody. It is chilly this morning. Let's get to work. I can't see anything. Where's it at? Where's it at? I'm so stupid right now. There we go. Okay. It's like tradition every day, the turning on of the lights. So, I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I'm going to figure that out, and we're going to get right on it. Alright, so one of the jobs today is getting this valve off this pressure washer. I believe that's the right one, the unloader valve. It gets stuck and it won't allow it to unload, so as soon as you let off the trigger, it stalls the engine. I don't know how tight this is going to be. I don't think it's ever been off, but what better way to find out than to just take it off. Oh, that was not tight at all. Okay, awesome. But I feel like this part should come off first. Oh, and that is tight. Wow. Okay, good. I was a little worried that I think this thing has internals and I have to take it apart. And I think if I take this part out, all those internals are going to come out onto the ground. So that's why I'm taking this other part out first. Be 100% honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. Just kind of making it up as I go, I think. I'm a little concerned with how tight it is, though. Wow. I'm hoping this isn't under like spring pressure. That would kind of ruin my day. I could just see it popping out of here. All right, there it is. So somehow, some way, the theory is something is going on in here. And it's not allowing it to unload. I was told that these can commonly get dirty inside, and all it takes is just a little piece of junk to jam up that spring. So that's what we're looking at. We'll get it in the shop. All right, I have no idea what's going to happen here. Hopefully not anything bad. Oh no, it loosened right up. I got to get some of this stuff out of the way. Have I told you guys I need a new shop? I think I have, probably about 800 times. Try to give you guys like a better view of what's about to happen, because I don't even know. But it loosened right up, so it's not coming off under pressure, at least. That's what concerned me a little bit. Alright, so we got a little guy in there, like a spring retainer. Here is the spring. It does have a little bit of junk around it. Although that looks like it might be grease. Oh wow, yeah, that thing is... Holy cow. Wow. So I don't know how much of this you guys can see, but see how it goes in? That's what's supposed to happen when it gets up to pressure. It goes in and it bypasses. But this one is not. Oh, wow. This one is not bypassing properly. And we need to figure out why. I don't really see anything in there that would, but of course I've never looked in one of these before. Maybe it just needs to be greased. I don't think I have any. I think I would want like lithium. I don't think I have any lithium. Let's just see what we can do here. Where's my turbine oil? It's around here somewhere. I'll flip this camera around so you guys can see the work in progress. I do not see my turbine oil. Okay, do I want to use, any kind of oil? Okay, I'm going to use this pneumatic oil. I was skeptical over it at first because I was concerned that it had cleaner in it, and I don't want to use anything that's going to damage the O-rings. Okay, you see how that works. So watch that little, like that weep hole right there. That's not going to do it. I wonder how this thing comes apart. Does it just unthread, maybe? No, because that whole thing's turning in there. Oh, I see. I think that's an Allen in there. Let's find out. It's kind of fun seeing how stuff comes apart, isn't it? As long as you can put it back together. Yeah, okay, that's an Allen. So, grab my little stubby wrench. So this is going to unthread from here. I don't know how tight it's going to be. turn you guys around. Where did that flat spot go? Right there. There we go. All right. Now it's loose enough to complete by hand. Turn you guys back around again. Okay, so that just unthreads from there like that. And this, presumably, is going to pop right out now. Right? Yeah? Maybe? Oh, there it goes. All right. Again, I want to be careful with this because, oh, there it is. My little O-rings and stuff. But I want to be careful with this because if I have to buy a new one or get parts, that's fine. But I don't want to. I want to be able to clean it out and fix it. I definitely won't be putting a wire brush in there. There's looks like there's like a rubber sleeve and then an O-ring seal on the bottom there. So yeah, we definitely won't be wire brushing that. And then we've got some kind of O-ring. There's like a D-ring or something on there. Interesting. All right, I'll get this cleaned up and put back together. All right, so I got it back together. Let's go install it. Hopefully, this will be the end of it. All right, we'll get that tightened down and we'll test it. Now I'll tell you guys right now, this fix was a total failure. I don't exactly know what's going on with it. I'll probably just go ahead and replace that valve altogether because it seems to work better
but it still doesn't run. It still loads up. So I guess for sake of humor, I'll go ahead and play this clip, but it just goes to show that sometimes we're just not successful.
Well, I got a little side project going here, and that is to clean this side yard up a little bit. Mainly I'm going to focus on this side. I got stuff on top of the wood pile that needs to get off of there and go find a new home so I can cover this, because we're going into winter quick. So this was getting to me a little bit, so I figured I would just kind of stop what I was doing and get after it. Here we go.
So not only is working around a mess just unproductive, you know, getting it cleaned up is going to give me more space to do whatever I need to do, and it's going to give me that opportunity to be able to cover it easier come winter time and spend less time out in the pouring rain hauling wood into the house. So I did actually get tied up because they came to do some work next door. They actually came to grind a stump, and so I think it was right here where I got tied up talking with the guy for a little while, and I'll speed this section up dramatically because there's nothing here until I get back, of course. Alright guys, well, I got kind of caught up. They're grinding the stump next door, and I got caught up talking to that guy, and I just did a lot of work and I didn't record it, but it's just about the heat of the day now, and I'm in the house. I'm done. So I'm going to finish this video with the trail cam pictures. I don't think we did those last week, but here we go. I have not seen these yet, so we'll see what we see. I see nothing. I don't know what would have set that off. Probably me. Actually, yeah. Look there, right on the right hand side of the screen. Probably me turning the camera on the night I left it out there. So there's something right here. Probably a stupid cat or something. Yeah, you can see it move over here now. Daylight.
There's my daughter taking the dog out to use the bathroom. Right in front of the camera. There's my son taking the dog out to use the bathroom. Right in front of the camera. Looks like a cat right there in the middle of the screen. Same thing, he's just hanging out. There's my wife taking the dog out to use the bathroom. Ain't she purty? Oh, there's my wife again taking the dog out to use the bathroom. Oh no, she's watering. That's what she's doing. That's not the leash, that's the hose. I got this camera in the wrong spot, don't I? It picks up all the traffic. There's the dog. There she is, taking the dog out to use the bathroom, I think. There's my daughter again. Checking on the quail. Oh, she's giving him water. There's my son taking the dog out to use the bathroom. My goodness. Oh, there's a stupid cat right there. Gotta go. There's my son taking the dog out to use the bathroom again. There's another stupid cat. There's the dog peeing on the lawn. I took quite a few pictures this time, but mostly of people. Oh, there's me hauling the cart up the hill. And this is when I moved it to look at the quail. I think it's mostly the quail setting it off now. And that's it. So anyway guys, like I said, this is where I'm going to end this video. I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed. I think this is going to be longer than I wanted it to, but I really don't want to break it into two pieces. So anyway guys, thanks a million. We'll see you next time.